Today's lesson is going to be over explicit formula. So this is actually just a few steps that we go through, and let me tell you exactly what it is. You're pretty much going to figure out which equation we're dealing with, arithmetic or geometric. We're putting things in, we're solving. So this is a very quick lesson. So the first is you're going to determine the type of sequence. Do we have a D, a common difference for arithmetic, or do we have R, a common ratio for geometric? As soon as we figure out if it's arithmetic or geometric, we're going to use this equation. For arithmetic, we're going to use this nth term equation. Geometric, we'll use this nth term equation. Okay? And the final step, you're going to fill in the given information, you're going to simplify, you're done. All right? So here we go. Let's look at an example. Write an explicit formula for the following recursive formula. Okay, there's a lot of students still looking at this recursive formula and we don't quite understand what's going on. Y'all, it's only 3 parts. You know the first term. You know the equation. And then you add if n is greater than or equal to 2. First term, equation, if n is greater than or equal to 2. If n is greater than or equal to 2, it's the same every single time. So you're just going to tell me the first term in the equation and just add that to the end. Okay? So now we're going from recursive to explicit. So what kind of equation are we dealing with? Do you think this is arithmetic or do you think it's geometric? Geometric. It is arithmetic. Why is it arithmetic? Go ahead.
Okay. Oh, it's because you got the plus 10.
Yes, y'all. Plus 10. Arithmetic adds to the sequence every single time, or it subtracts from the sequence, right? It increases or decreases by a constant. So this is arithmetic. Okay? And how can you tell? Well, when you're looking at the formula, it's actually this plus 10 right here that gives it away. Okay? So what are we going to do? So now we've decided it's arithmetic. So now we have to find the nth term for the arithmetic sequence, which is an equals a1 plus n minus 1 times d. All right? So what we're going to do is we're going to fill in the information. So we've decided it's arithmetic. We found the nth term equation for arithmetic. And now we're going to fill in the information. Okay? So we were given that my first term was what? 25. It gave it to us right here. It said my first term was 25. In my D, my common difference, right? Because arithmetics have a common difference. My common difference is what? 10. All right? So watch this. Here we go. We're going to use this equation, and we're going to fill in this information, and we're going to simplify it until we cannot simplify anymore. So we're going to say an equals a1 plus n minus 1 times d. So my a1 is 25. So I'm going to fill in a 25 plus n minus 1. D equals 10. There's my D. So I'm going to put a 10. Okay. Now, it does not matter if you are multiplying from the right or the left side of the parentheses. You still have to distribute. Okay. So here we go. We have 25 plus, what is 10 times n? 10 times negative 1. Negative 10. So I'm going to go ahead and put my n term up front. Okay. 10n. And then I have 25 minus 10 gives me what?
15.
Your explicit formula is an equals 10n plus 15.